Alright, here we go. Hello there. My name is Matt. This is my third stock speedrun for the weekend of January 15th, 2022. If you are unfamiliar with what a stock speedrun is, you can check this video's description for an explanation and also a disclaimer as to its content. Very important disclaimer. We recommend checking that out. Let's see what we got here. Nomura Holdings. Also, my internet is garbage, isn't it? It's slowing down. No! I need speed. Gotta go fast. Financial services to individuals, corporations, financial institutions. Where does this operate? You know what? Japanese. As soon as I saw Nomura, I thought it had to have some Japanese connections. I'm not a weeb, I swear. Okay, so... It is headquartered in Japan. I assume that means it also does operations there, which is weird that it trades on the New York exchange. But you know, whatever. All right, let's see here. Wow, what? No, these numbers can't be right. These numbers can't be right. I think. You know what? Hold on. I want to see, because look, $153 billion in revenue? No, that's ridiculous. I think there is probably a money exchange issue with how that number is being represented. There's no way it does over $1 trillion in revenue each year. I want to see the most recent report and see what that says. Yeah, see, it's talking about yen. I think those numbers are in yen. Actually, that still doesn't account, because if it's only... That still doesn't account that much, because if it's only... 25 billion yen for a period, that wouldn't account for $1 trillion each year. All right, you know what? I'm not going to pay that much attention to that. Let's users trade crypto tokens for pizza and pot. All right, I want to read this. What? Also, that looks like some pretty good pizza. Luxurious Italian dishes as their value fluctuates. Holy crap. Wait, subscriptions for the service. So what's the service? To be able to use your tokens? Selling these security tokens for 4 high-end food parcels. Those that own these security tokens will be able to trade them and purchase the exclusive items on the menu beginning next year. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Surprise quarterly profit plunge. I read that. Nomura slumps as legacy transaction charge hit quarterly profits. I don't know. Foreign companies like this are difficult to get a read on. Determined to shake up Japanese finance. New risk assessment. Nomura quarterly profit dives 66% on trading slowdown. Let me see that. Biggest brokerage and investment bank reported a 66% drop in first quarter net profit due to a slowdown in the trading business. Profit came in at 48.5 billion yen. Yeah, so for 48.5 billion yen, 42 million. There's no way these numbers match up to anything. Oh, actually, no. Wait a minute. April-June profit came in at 48.5 billion. So I'm looking at earnings numbers then. Actually, 48.5. Yeah, the numbers do match up. Interesting. Okay, yeah. So these numbers are in yen. That makes a little more sense. Look at the chart real quick. That's not a terribly enthusing chart. In the last 5 years, it's been between $3 and $6. And it's just been bouncing around in that range since, holy crap, since arguably the 2008 crisis. It just has not gotten back from that. I wonder why. That's very strange. Zach's Bull and Bear of the Day. Bear of the Day, why? To pay penalty to settle bond rigging claims. Ooh, that's not good. Over illicit bond trading. Woohoo. Bear of the Day is Nomura Holdings. Recent news recently because of the bank's involvement in the Archegos incident. It was? How was it involved? That sent many banks scrambling to cut position and mitigate losses. Nomura was directly facing losses in the area of $2 billion. That's not yen, that's dollars. That's American freedom money right there. Shit, which article was I reading? Takes in between 13 and 14 million in annual revenues. The loss hurts, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah, it seems like it's not the end of the world. What's more concerning is how they got into that position in the first place and the effect that the incident could have going forward. Competition for the business of big clients like Bill Hoying of Archegos can be quite stiff. With that much exposure to a trader who has leveraged 5 to 8 times at multiple institutions, the bank may have been lenient in order to... Yeah, that's possible. I mean, it seems like they're not making very smart moves. They expose themselves to that risk, and they also are apparently doing questionable bond actions, which can bring regulations down onto them. Yeah, Bear of the Day. I want to look at conversations. Pay penalty for bond rigging. What is bond rigging? European Commission for colluding to manipulate the European government bond market. Holy crap! And apparently it's something that a lot of people do. Oh, here, Nomura. Oh wait, that's back at Yahoo. Wow. On trading slowdown, they're still having effects from the Archegos. Stupid bank that downgraded Ford. I am shorting to $4. I mean, that's like in the middle of the range I've been trading for the last 10 years. I don't think that's a smart move. I don't think shorting it is a smart move, but I don't think buying it is either, honestly. Because it's not that I think it's going to go down, it's not that I think it's going to go nowhere. Can anyone find out what the earnings per share were? It's cheap, hope you're still holding it. Why? I haven't made investments yet. There's still time between this coin. Hope the CEO does not get any blame regarding Archegos. I think it's a little too late for that. Yeah, well, no, not bid rigging. No, not bid rigging. Damn it. All right, you know what? My time's gonna be up in 5 seconds anyway. Yeah, I'm thinking this is a hard sell. I'm thinking this is a hard sell. Not... Almost... I almost don't care about all of the Archegos fallout and all of the apparently claims that they were bond rigging, and they could get hit with a lot of fines for that. I don't care about the trading slowdown they were talking about that could make a hit to their revenues. The story about the trading, the story about like just handing out tokens for pizza was kind of cool, but I don't really care about any of that because I want to focus in on that chart. The chart, it seems to go nowhere. Now you can argue that it's going nowhere because of all of those things, and you might be right. It could be another reason I'm not aware of, but it's probably from the combination of those things. Because apparently the problems they've been having have gone back all the way to the 2008 crisis, roughly. Because remember, it said that they've been doing the bond rigging since 2007. I don't know when it was found out they were doing that, but it could have been around that time, and they have been in financial trouble for that ever since then. And that is why it hasn't recovered. And then they found themselves in a whole bunch of other issues. And the reason why, and that's the reason why I want to focus in on the chart is because the chart goes nowhere. You could say the chart goes nowhere because of those things, but really, the chart goes nowhere. That's all you need to know. And because their problems do not seem to be ending anytime soon, I think that chart will continue to go nowhere. So I want to give it a sell, not because I think it's going to go down. I mean, it's possible it could go down. I think that what's more likely is it's going to keep bouncing around in that range for a bit. Potentially, what's the word I'm looking for? Potentially bouncing around unpredictably. That's the word I'm looking for. Unpredictably. Be bouncing around that range unpredictably. So I wouldn't even recommend trying to swing trade this at any time. Just sell. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. And I think you'll be lucky to see any decent gains from it. So sell for Nomura, and I'll catch you in the next one, you weebs.